In this video, you'll learn how to buy USDT on Binance. This process involves a few key steps to ensure that your purchase is completed successfully and securely. Begin by navigating to the Binance homepage. If you are not signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Buy Crypto section, which is typically found prominently on the homepage. This area allows you to start the purchasing process. After accessing the Buy Crypto section, select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You will then need to choose a payment method. Options generally include credit or debit card, bank transfer, or P2P transactions. It is important to review the exchange rate displayed on the screen, as this will affect the total amount you pay. Additionally, confirm that the chosen service is available in your region to avoid any issues later. Next, enter the specific amounts of USDT you wish to purchase. The interface will display the final payable amount, which includes any applicable fees. Take a moment to double check the payment method details you have entered. If there are any verification steps required, complete those as instructed. Once everything is confirmed, submit your purchase order securely. At this point, you may see a loading indicator as the transaction processes, which can take a moment. Once the transaction is complete, navigate to your spot wallet. Here, you should see your USDT balance updated to reflect your recent purchase. It is advisable to review your order history for confirmation of the transaction details. Make sure to save any transaction details for your records, as this can be useful for future reference. You can now use your USDT for trading or withdrawals as needed. If your USDT balance does not appear after completing the transaction, it's important to contact support for assistance. They can help resolve any issues that may have arisen during the purchase process. Ensuring that everything is correct allows you to proceed confidently with your trading activities. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.